Hello everyone. How are you today? 皆さんこんにちは。ザナッシュです。Today is January 20th, 2021 Wednesday. 今日は2021年1月の20日水曜日です。Yeah, it's very beautiful day.It's fine day. So I'm driving our 65 years old. No, 66 years old. The Pussy Wagon today too. 今日も冬晴れの快晴の中、私は66年前のアメリカ車1955年ナッシュランブラー AKA The Pussy Wagon に乗ってます。Yeah, we just got a brand new Burnout magazine. This is number 78 issue. Yeah, finally we got that. 今日はですね、つい先ほど最新号のBurnout 78号が届きました。Yeah, so...I'm delivery for our client Moon Eyes and Blue Panic custom style. Yeah, I'm bring to them by the Pussy Wagon. なので最新のバーンアウトが出来上がりましたので、これから広告いただいているクライアントの皆さん、ムーンアイスさん、ブルーパニックさん、カスタムスタイルさんにお届けに上がろうと思ってます。 OK, let's go to Burnout supporter.
Well, there's a thought wrapped around my mind. Well, there's a thought wrapped around my mind. Well, squeeze so tight it makes you wanna go blind. Well, there's a thought wrapped around my mind. Well, there's a thought, girl, wrapped around my mind. Well, squeeze so tight it makes me wanna go blind. Don't make a date with that trouble watching you. Don't make a date, girl, with that trouble watching you. It'll put you in a corner, you'll know not what to do. Know that thought wrapped around your mind. Well, there's a thought wrapped around my mind. Let's squeeze so